So write a C program to find the HCF and LCM of two numbers. So how can I able to find the HCF and LCM by using C programs? So guys, let me close this hint and let me go for our new source file. So first of all, let me write the comment here. C program to find the HCF and LCM of two numbers. So here, first of all, I need to include my header file. Include the header file. So stdio.h. And after including, let me start my execution of my program by using int main function. You can pass the int type argument and characters pointer array. And here, let me go for the variables. I need the variables. Enter two numbers. I need to ask to the users enter two numbers. So integer. Let me go for number one a and number two b. Okay, fine. And I will ask to the user, please enter enter two numbers enter two numbers to find the HCF comma LCM. Okay, fine, /n. So actually I want to use the space here. You can use two different scanf and you can use two different printf also, but for time being let me use single printf and single scanf to avoid duplication of statements. So I'm using %d for number and %d for one more number. So here %d I need to give the space because while entering I'm planning to give the space. Just read the numbers into two values. So here you can go for suppose instead of a and b, let me use no1, and here let me use no2. Okay, and here let me read the values ampersand no1 comma no2. Okay, no1 no2, and I need some temporary variables. So to hold temporary variable values to perform HCM and LCM. So guys, let me have some more, like let me use here one more integer a comma b. So here I took a comma b. What is the value has been entered? Let me hold into a comma b. So here no1, number one in hold into a, and b let me hold into no2. Okay guys, so for time being I hold these values into temporary variables no1 and no2. So let me return my statements. So here is the return statement, return 0, and here is my get ch, hold the characters. So guys, now let's proceed for writing the logic. So why I hold these values, you will come to know, just hold on. So I want to write the logic to find the HCF and LCM. So guys, first of all, let us write the logic. So while loop, first let me show you the logic, guys. So what is the value has been entered? Suppose if you look at the example, this y value. So in this a, let us calculate. We'll calculate HCF. And we'll calculate HCF, and one will calculate LCM. Fine. Okay guys, and b will hold LCM. We'll hold b into LCM. Fine. So guys, let me add the logic. So first of all, I need one more variable. So let me get one more variable. So for number of iterations, and let me get here HCM. So HCF and LCM and another two variables I took here. So let me go for while loop, and what is the value has been received? B. I want to try for first b is not equal to. I want to repeat this process until my b does not equal to 0. So the logic is simple logic. Let me initialize my a and b. So let me initialize t. What is the value of b? So b contains numbers, number 2. So hold number 2 into t for time being. And so here is my b. B contains a mod b. So here is a mod b, and after that let me apply my a to the t. So up to how many iterations you want to go? So I want to go for this number of iterations where b is not equal to 0. B does not equal to 0. Okay, fine. So next we'll go for, let me go for calculating HCF. Let me what is the value has been initialized here? let me initialize to a here, and after this let me go for calculating LCM. So LCM, let me initialize LCM. So whatever the value has been received, so you can see here number 1 and number 2. So I can get here number 1 and number 2. I forget to apply here ampersand address operator, ampersand operator. So guys, let me apply here uh, number 1 into number 2. So guys, let me divide whole is by what are the value has been received, that is HCF, and let me go for parenthesis here because I want to go for whole division, and here is HCF. I received LCM, and simply at last I need to print my HCF and LCM, printf. So here is my HCF is colon, and let me forward my cursor to new line. HCF in the form of integer, so let me use the format specifier %d, and who is holding HCF is received by HCF is a variable. And next similarly let me print LCM also. So printf. So guys, printf, and here let me calculate here LCM is, so let me print here LCM also %d. Let me forward my cursor to new line, comma, so I can show here LCM which is available in my variable called LCM. So let me print here my LCM, semicolon, and save this program. So save this program. So guys, go back. Okay, here only let us save pointers. Instead of pointer does not, it's not a part of pointer, it's a part of, I think, loop. So it shall go in loops only. So here let me save here HCF LCM example. So here you can use C also and save. So let me compile, let me run, and once you run properties, so change the font so it is visible, better visible to you all. So guys, enter two numbers. So here I entered 23, 20 and 10. So LCM is list count number and HCF is 10, 20 and 10. So let me go for new numbers. So control F10. So here I am trying to enter some value. So here suppose 88 and 66. So LCM of both numbers is 264 and HCF of both numbers is 22. Okay, fine guys. So this is the logic. Fine. So Control Shift 11. Let me stop.